Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Haval H6 Station Wagon, stock reference number 5628. This shape ran from the 2nd of 2021 to this current day. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine run by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left hand mirror, left front door, left rear door, left hand tail light, tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag with decent tyres, right rear door, right hand mirror, right hand door trim, right hand master switch, center console, gear stick, heater controls, display screen, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, and a 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.